Hello everybody, welcome to another BriskHeat's product overview. My name's Thomas and I lead the tech support team here in Columbus, Ohio. Today's overview will be on the TB250 bulb and capillary on-off temperature controller. The TB250 Enclosure has a NEMA 3R rating, which means it's good for outdoor use. As you can see on the bottom, this is where your power input and output go. It has a fitting for an electrical conduit with 3/4 inch MPT threads on it. Next to it, you can see the bulb and capillary sensor. This is actually 10 feet in length. As you can also see, there's 3 terminals here, which means this is a single pole double throw switch inside. Again, it is an on and off style temperature controller. Very easy to wire, very easy to operate. There are 3 separate temperature control ranges for you guys to choose from, with the lowest setting would be at 0, with the highest being at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. With voltage, it can be operated on up to 277 alternating current. The maximum amp load is 22 amps. There are numerous applications this can be used on: freeze protection, viscosity control, maintenance temperatures, and the list goes on, guys. Again, this is very easy to install, mount, operate, wire. It's just an easy, reliable controller. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe to our channel. Also be on the lookout. We have 2 more videos for this product. One is a tech talk, which is about 30 minutes in length. It goes over how to mount, wire, control, operate, everything as far as this controller is concerned. The next one is specifically on how to wire this product. A little short video. So be sure to watch out for those as well. Thanks again for watching. We hope to see you next time.